Let's proceed to step-down technique, or also known as crown-down technique. This technique differs from step-back in a way it starts from the coronal portion first, then proceed to the apical, giving a proper taper shapes of the canal. Thus, it's called the coronal apical technique. Largest instruments are used first before using the smaller ones by using rotary files. First, we have to determine the working length of this tooth. We assume that the working length is 20 mm. Next, we're going to start the coronal shape of the canal by using the largest possible size of Gates Glidden first, then subsequently to the smaller sizes. Then we have to recapitulate and irrigate to ensure the patency of the canal, which means to prevent clogging. Then we use the smaller size of Gates Glidden with deeper engagement within the coronal part of the canal. This step is repeated until the smallest possible size of Gates Glidden is used. Make sure not to skip the recapitulation and irrigation steps. Next, we'll be preparing the middle and apical parts of the tooth. In this step, we'll be using K-files with size varies from 40 till the smallest. We start with the largest possible K-file to be engaged without any pressure. The K-file is inserted till the level of binding, which is the level where the file cannot be inserted further. The action of the insertion is done in clockwise rotation. Recapitulation and irrigation is to be done. The steps are then repeated with smaller K-files along with recapitulation and irrigation steps. Once a specific K-file has reached the full working length of the tooth, this file is considered as MEF, also known as Master Apical File. Then we irrigate for the last time, and the final shape of the canal is flat coronally. And that is all for step-down technique. Thank you.